Hey guys, it's Sean Taylor with NorfStar Solar, and I'm here in the beautiful Spanish Hills community in Las Vegas, Nevada, on site at the location of our most recent install. Now, this system is one of our biggest installs to date. Let's go check it out. Come on. Thanks for joining NorfStar Solar on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share it with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to see more from us and turn on your notifications to be notified when we upload new videos.